Hey guys, and welcome back to the Bearded Chef. Today we're going to be using the fermented mustard I made last video. If you haven't seen that, it will be linked down in the description below. And if you follow me over to the cutting board, we can get started on Chicago style pork sandwiches. Get started, let's take an onion and top and tail it. Cut that in half and remove the outer skin. Begin to chop this into nice thin slices, and we will put those to the side. In a small pan, place it on the heat. Once hot, pour your oil in, followed by your onions. Start to saute these until they start to turn brown. Don't forget to season these. In a cast iron pan, let's heat this up. Again, more oil with a high smoke point. I use canola. Place our seasoned pork chops down in the pan. You should hear a nice sizzle. And we're just trying to get a nice quick sear on these. Give these a flip. And then place them off to the side. Take your onions and soak up all that nice pork juice. After a couple minutes, let's place these pork chops back in with the onions and then put a little bit of water in here just to deglaze the pan and grab some of that nice steam. Place a lid on top and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. While this is going on, let's toast our bread. Pork chops are done and so are the onions. So let's take these out and allow them to rest on the counter for a few minutes. After that, debone, slice it down the middle, and start to make your sandwich. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, or follow me on Instagram. The link will be below. Until next time, Bearded Chef.